What's up guys, it's me Gmail. So here is the Casio, yes, the Casio SL-100L calculator. You can buy this calculator from Amazon. The link is in the description box below for only 10 bucks. I'm a big fan of physical calculator. Do not tell me that we have a calculator on our smartphone. I really do not care about these stupid words. Touch screen calculator. I hate touch screen calculator. I'm a guy. I'm a businessman. I'm a farmer. So I need something to calculate physically. Physically, I wanna feel it. I wanna feel it. Feel it. Feel it. So here we go. As you can see from the back, this is the electronic calculator 8-digit SL-100L. Okay, can I open like this? Come on. Okay, I need my help for my Swiss knife. Okay, here we go. Okay, be careful. No, it's not good. I should just use this Swiss scissor, to be honest with you, in this case. Okay, how is that? Not good. Still not good, to be honest with you. Okay, finally we got it, to be honest with you. I think so. Safety number one priority. Remember to close the Swiss knife, or you can get some injury. I mean, okay, yeah. This is the Geek way of opening it. As you can see, a beautiful, lovely calculator. Wow. How much is 5 plus 5? Oh, really 10. I really don't know. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. The best thing is that it's a solar power calculator. I mean, it's tiny, man. It's tiny. It's better than my smartphone. It's my super smartphone. Yeah, my smartphone. My Xperia XL Premium. XL2 Premium. A 4K display smartphone. Okay, let me. Yeah, now I think so. Can better. Can we see or not? Yeah. So let's do 2 plus 2 equal, yeah, 4. But I want to be honest here. D, okay, y is okay. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Yeah. The physical tactile. I mean, I just like. I mean, even smaller. Don't tell me you don't have a space in your pocket to put this calculator. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. I mean, literally, I mean, to be honest with you, I'm getting like 4 or 5. I will be putting in my every backpack, every sling bag, every messenger bag, and then by the way, I'm gonna carry every day with me because I'm a businessman, to be honest with you. You just can't go wrong with it. I mean, yeah. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe and bye.